Hi there. In this session, we'll be learning how to build a pipeline project using freestyle jobs. We'll be building a Docker-based microservice application and then push that application to a Docker Hub account. I've already logged into my Jenkins. So this is my Docker Hub account. So this is my username and app-push is my repository name. I have the GitHub URL. So this is the public URL, so anyone can use this. So first we'll be configuring 4 different jobs. We'll be using freestyle project for this. I'll configure the job later. First, I'll build the project. I've done building all the 4 jobs. We'll configure each and every job. First, we'll go with config account service. Copy this GitHub URL. Go to source code management, choose Git. Click on this build, execute shell. So mvn clean install. So we're gonna build a Docker. So I'm giving a Docker build command, Docker build -t. Then I'll give my Docker Hub username and then the repository name. That's app-push. Check if I'm not wrong. App-push. Yes. Space start. Then we're gonna push this application to a Docker Hub account. So Docker push then goes to postable actions, build other project, give the other project name, that's customer service. Configure your second job. Execute shell over here. Previously I've given account service. Now I'll be giving customer service. Change according to your job. Clean install. Save. Configure your other 2 jobs also. Possible action and your next. Save this. Offering the last job, that's gateway service. Save this job. Back to dashboard. Now click on this plus button. Click on this build pipeline view. Write anything. It is app-push. If you wish, you can write a description over here. Make sure you select this initial job. That's okay. Just click over here, run. And check for console output from here. Changes are being pushed to a Docker Hub account. It's successful. Let's wait for other jobs also to build. Okay, the build is successful. See this. So we'll go to our Docker Hub account. Try to refresh our page. See, last pushed a few seconds ago. So the build is successful and the push is also successful. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.